ready to take down the bad guys, Agent Pete Caswell. You know her voice from nearly every cartoon you've ever seen. She's on Rugrats, Scooby-Doo. She was the voice of Sam in Danny Phantom. She plays both Tootsie and Mickey in The Fairly Odd Parents, and now she's the voice of tough agent Kitty Caswell, the super talented.
Two lines of Dudley and Kitty talking to each other.
He told me to get you a 1-pound hazelnut latte, and I brought it to you, and then you weren't where he said you were going to meet me, and so by the time I got to you, it was cold and gross.
All I want to do is chew my butt!
You can't buy talent like that, folks.
Well, you can.
Why should we do all that talent?
I am bought and paid for.
Okay, next up, as the boss of Dudley and Kitty, this gruff and tough flea is not afraid to show his softer side. His mammoth attitude and booming voice more than make up for his tiny size. You recognize him from his recent appearance as Timmy's dad in the Nick movie Grow Up Timmy Turner, as Buddha Bob on Big Time Rush. Cosmo, Timmy's dad, Jorgen von Schreiner.
Quickly, would you run through? Give me a little bit of Cosmo.
Bye!
Give me a little bit of Timmy's dad.
Oh, I can see him if I were you.
A little bit of Jorgen.
No, I won't do it. You can't make me.
A little bit of the chief.
Right, yeah, well, carry on.
And last but not least, the chameleon.
Oh, I'm so happy to be here with all of you lovely people.
Hey!
Storyboard artist and character designer, but his voice talents could not be silenced. He's done voice work for Surf's Up, Open Season, and even South Park. On Tough Puppy, he's the leader of Doom, where he wants to take over Petropolis and rid the world of stinky cheese. The voice to the madness that is Verminia's Snaptrap belongs to Matt Taylor.
Thank you, I haven't heard of me either.
Matthew, would you give us a little bit of Verminia's Snaptrap, please?
I would love to give you the Verminia's Snaptrap.
That's not as bad as this morning. Good.
Okay, speaking of madness, can you imagine writing all of these episodes and figuring out just who says what and when? Telling and coming up with joke after joke, day after day, and even getting paid to be silly? Sounds like a dream job. But it's also the very important job of our story editor, and he is the head writer on both Fairly Odd Parents and Tough Puppy, and my favorite writer in town, Ray DeLaurentiis. And yes, fans, I have indeed saved the best for last. His shows won Nickelodeon a ton of Emmys. He's mighty talented, and he's the only creator in Nick's animation history to have had 3 hits in a row. You know the shows, Fairly Odd Parents, Danny Phantom, and now Tough Puppy. Artist extraordinaire, cartoon maverick, Butch Hartman. So, you know, I think you should tell us a little bit about, you know, how the show finally made it to air.
Which show? A Tough Puppy?
All of them.
All of them? Well, it was a long time ago. No, Tough Puppy started off, I actually had a bunch of shows I pitched. I didn't even want to sell Tough Puppy, but I brought it in. It was a show called Stud Puppy, believe it or not. And, but if you were to go online and type in Stud Puppy, you get a lot of different weird things that we didn't want kids to see. So we changed it to Tough Puppy. We made up some cool animal names and some cool animal characters. We couldn't find that right voice, though. We couldn't find the guy to do Dudley's voice. We kept saying, could it be this person, this person, this person? Tried everybody in town. I had tried it, didn't do it well. And someone said, we see this Jerry Trainer guy. And I said, Jerry who? That's what I said. And he's the guy in iCarly. And I said, I what?
Thank you again.
Okay, exactly. And Jerry auditioned, and I thought it was great, and I think you guys might agree. And Jerry is Stud Puppy. We cast the rest of our amazing cast, and we hired this writer man out here, Ray. Ray, say hello, Ray.
Hello.
There's Ray. Thank you, man.
Speaking of like Ray.
And we're up to, I think, 25 episodes right now. We've only aired 10. There's a whole bunch of new ones coming up. We're going to show you guys a clip from a brand new special that hasn't aired. You guys want to see some cool footage? Is that next on the script?
It's not, but
It's
it's
not.
handy.
The first thing we're going to do, wait, this says, Dana will then toss to Butch. Butch will talk about the tough series. Oh, here's what we're going to do. We are going to give you guys a chance to participate with our cast today. Who wants to be part of our cast today? Raise your hand. Who wants to do this today? All right.
Keswick's not here today. Jeff Bennett is not with us as Keswick.
Keswick, yeah, we don't have Keswick. Someone's got to play Keswick for us today. Who thinks they can do it?
Are we gonna audition
Yes,
with Mike?
yeah, 1 second.
Okay?
Oh, this is gonna be good.
We're going to see how this goes. Maybe we'll play Keswick someday.
Hello, we're on. All right, here we go. We're going to audition. You ever been to Hollywood before? He's the perfect actor.
I don't know either.
Right, exactly. Well, in Hollywood, when you want to do a part on a TV show, you have to audition. You got to give us your best version of this character. You ever seen the show Tough Puppy?
I watched it this morning.
Yes! Hooray! Here's $5.
Oh my, you're not gonna actually give it to me?
I'll give it to you in a moment. Okay.
Here's $5. Say, wanna be in show business? Get used to it, kid. Alright, I work for free too. This is what it's like working for Butch Hartman. Butch, want $5, Hartman.
You want to do the voice of Dudley, too?
Because right here, here's $5.
Okay. Now here's Keswick. Let me hear your best. I want you to say this line as Keswick. Say, well, I don't know, Agent Puppy. Say that.
Well, I don't know, Agent Puppy.
We're going to be on contestant number 1, okay?
Okay.
Stay right there. Who thinks they can do... Wait, 1 second. 1 second. Who thinks they can do the voice of Snaptrap's assistant, Ollie? Do you know Ollie talks like this? He's called an English accent. Who can do an English accent? Who thinks they can do one? You in the back, young lady. Come on, here we go. Let's go. We don't have any more time. Here we go. Time is money. How are
I
you?
hope she doesn't want $5.
We're really happy to give you $5.
Yeah.
What is your name? Hi, Matt. It's Madeline.
Madeline, that's my mom's name. That's a very pretty name.
Have you ever watched Tough Puppy? Oh, good. That's another one. That's 2. You ever seen that character? Think you can do his voice? Okay, say this. I don't know, boss. Try that.
I don't know, boss.
All right, we got
Yeah.
good.
That's a name.
Here we go. Come on up, guys. Come up here. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to use this mic. We're going to read through a brand new episode of Tough Puppy called Doghouse. It's never even been animated yet. You guys want to hear this hilarious script? It's hilarious. Okay.
I'm gonna go dramatic.
Here's what we're going to do, guys. You guys are going to sit here, right here. What's your name one more time?
Corey.
Corey and Madeline, right? Okay, now, when Keswick comes up in the script, you're going to read his line, okay? And when Ollie comes up, you're going to read his line, okay? Don't worry, these are just professional actors. You're as good as they are, I promise.
Better.
Better. Okay, here we go. Now, Ray is going to read the stage directions, and these fabulous actors are going to act it out for you. You guys want to see this?